Hi, welcome is back to Dream Cars. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Mitsubishi Triton GSR. This rugged pickup truck is making waves with its refreshed design and enhanced performance and cutting-edge fixtures. If you're a fan of tough, reliable workhorses with a modern edge, then you are going to love what Mitsubishi has done with the latest Triton GSR. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Triton GSR boasts an aggressive and bold new look. Mitsubishi has updated its signature dynamic shield front grille, giving it a more muscular stance. The sharp LED headlights and DRLs provide a futuristic appeal, while the sculpted hood and flared wheel arches add to its tough persona. Sitting on a set of 18-inch black alloy wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires, the GSR is built to handle any rodeo or lack of one. The black roof rails and bumpers further enhance its sporty appeal, making it stand out on both city streets and rugged trails. Under the hood, the 2025 Triton GSR is powered by a 2.4-liter twin-turbo diesel engine that delivers an impressive 201 horsepower and 470 newton-meters of torque. This powerhouse is mated to a smooth shifting 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring a responsive and fuel-efficient drive. Mitsubishi Super Select 4WD2 system gives the Triton GSR exceptional off-road capabilities, allowing drivers to switch between multiple drive modes for various terrains, including gravel, sand, mud, and snow, whether you're towing heavy loads or conquering rocky trails. This truck is up for the challenge. Speaking of capability, the Triton GSR doesn't just look tougher, it performs like it too. With a maximum capacity of around 3,500 kilograms, this truck is ideal for hauling trailers, quotes, or work equipment. The reinforced ladder frame chassis improves structural rigidity, providing enhanced durability and safety. Mitsubishi has also fine-tuned the suspension for better stability and comfort, making long drives or bumpy trails more manageable. Now let's step inside the cabin, where Mitsubishi has gone all out with premium comfort and technology. The Triton GSR features a modern and refined interior with high-quality materials and a driver focus and design. The leather-trimmed seats offer superior support, and the driver's seaters electrically adjustable for added convenience. The multi-function steering wheel wrapped in leather adds a sporty touch, while the digital instrument cluster provides all the necessary driving information at a glance. At the center of the dash, you'll find a large 9-inch infotainment touchscreen with Mitsubishi's latest smartphone link display audio system. It supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice commands, ensuring seamless connectivity on the go. A premium sound system delivers crystal clear audio whether you're listening to music, podcasts, or taking calls. Jewel's own climate control keeps the cabin at the perfect temperature, and multiple USB charging ports ensure your device stay powered up. Safety is a top priority. In the 2025 Triton GSR, Mitsubishi has equipped this truck with an array of advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross traffic alert. The forward collision mitigation system with pedestrian detection adds an extra layer of protection, while the 60-degree camera system makes parking and maneuvering easier than ever. In terms of practicality, the Triton GSR is built for everyday use. The spacious rear seat is provided ample legroom, making it comfortable for passengers on long journeys. The cargo bed is designed for durability and versatility, featuring multiple tie-down points and a weather-resistant liner to protect against warranty, whether you're using it for work or weekend adventures. The Triton GSR is designed to handle it all. Mitsubishi has also made the 2025 Triton GSR more fuel-efficient and environmentally friendly. The twin-turbo diesel engine is optimized for lower emissions while maintaining impressive performance with an estimated fuel economy of around 8 liters per 100 kilometers. It strikes a great balance between power and efficiency, making it an ideal choice for both urban and off-road driving. Customization allow buyers to tailor the Triton GSR to their needs. Mitsubishi offers a variety of accessories, including roof racks, bull bars, snorkels, and bed covers. Whether you need rugged off-road setup or a more refined daily driver, the Triton GSR can be configured to suit your lifestyle. Overall, the 2025 Mitsubishi Triton GSR is an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable, capable and stylish pickup truck. It combines performance, comfort and advanced technology to create a vehicle that excels in any situation, whether you're an adventurer, a trad person or someone who simply loves drugs. The 2025 Mitsubishi Triton GSR is a game-changer in the world of off-road vehicles. With its bold new design, extreme power and unmatched off-road capabilities, the Triton GSR is built for adventure. It features a rugged exterior, robust performance features and cutting-edge technology to ensure a superior driving experience, whether on city streets or off the beaten path. Equipped with a powerful engine and advanced suspension system, this truck can handle the toughest terrains. The Triton GSR is worth considering. That's all for today's review. Stay tuned for more in-depth looks at the latest vehicles hitting the market. Please sharing, like and subscribe to our channel Dream Cars. Thank you for watching. For more updates on the 2025 Mitsubishi Triton GSR and other exciting vehicles,